Amid ally trouble in Assam and Maharashtra, the BJP is now setting its eyes on Tamil Nadu, looking for allies there ahead of the elections in the next few days. The Prime Minister has dropped a big hint on a possible alliance with Rajinikanth and the AIADMK in the state. Addressing booth-level workers, Modi said that BJP is always open for an alliance, also that his party has followed Atal Bihari Vajpayee's culture of alliances and that a true alliance of any political party is only with the people. The Congress, meanwhile, has raised eyebrows on Rajinikanth's entry into politics.
Sir, people are spreading rumors that BJP may ally in Tamil Nadu with AIADMK or Rajinikanth or even DMK. How do we clear the air?
This is an interesting question. We cherish our old friends and our doors are always open for parties. But more than all these political issues, the winning alliance is an alliance with the people. दलों से मिले न मिले, दिलों से मिलना जरूरी है. More than alliances, we have to focus on remaining connected with the people.
I like Rajini sir as a cinema star. As a politician, I'm not sure whether he will be able to make an impact. Because for very long he's been saying, I'm coming, and his party is not yet registered. Is he waiting for Mr. Narendra Modi to win to launch his party? And he's signing on more and more movies. He's not touring Tamil Nadu. You're signing big budget movies, but why aren't you touring the Tamil Nadu?
My colleague Lokpriya is joining us live on this story. Interesting that the Prime Minister asked a very specific question on the AIADMK, did not reply with a yes or no. Is that because making the BJP stand clear on that could affect them politically? How is the BJP in Tamil Nadu actually evaluating this situation right now?
Well, for one, the BJP needs to piggyback on one of the Dravidian parties if they want to have a larger presence in Tamil Nadu and if they have to win seats, because the BJP's presence here in Tamil Nadu is negligible and they have a lot of groundwork to cover for that. And that's precisely the reason they are keeping their doors open. But the fact that the BJP's alliance with the DMK is ruled out because the DMK is firmly with the Congress. So the only option that is available for the BJP is to align with the AIADMK. Remember, the AIADMK is already under fire here in Tamil Nadu and they have earned the moniker that they are the B team of the BJP. So in that kind of a scenario, the BJP and the AIADMK are assessing. It is more on the question of who needs who the most. So looking at all these options and the fact that there are still 4 to 5 months left, the BJP and the AIADMK will keep their options open and will carefully assess the situation. As far as the Rajinikanth factor is concerned, the fact is he's still not started his political party. For all the large talks of politics, even after 1 year, there is no formal registration of a political party, and he has expressed that he has no interest or inclination to contest in the Lok Sabha polls. So putting all this into perspective, it is too soon to tell whether Rajinikanth will, number one, contest in Lok Sabha elections, and number two, whether he'll align with BJP, and above all, will he even start his political party before that?
All right. For now, Lokpriya, thanks very much for joining us.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.